Welcome to John's studio travel vlog. Today, we are taking you on an exciting tour of one of Hyderabad's most popular destinations, IKEA Hyderabad. Whether you're a local or a visitor, IKEA is a must-visit place for anyone interested in stylish home furnishings, innovative design, and delicious Swedish cuisine. Watch till the end, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, John's Studio Travel Vlog, for more exciting adventures. IKEA Hyderabad is not just a store, it's an experience. Located in high-tech city, IKEA spans over 400,000 square feet and offers a vast array of furniture, home decor, and lifestyle products that cater to every taste and budget. From contemporary designs to classic styles, you'll find everything you need to transform your home. As you step inside IKEA, you'll be greeted by meticulously designed showrooms that provide endless inspiration for your home. Each section is thoughtfully arranged to showcase different living spaces, from cozy bedrooms and functional kitchens to stylish living rooms and efficient home offices. The store is designed to guide you through a journey of creativity and practicality, helping you envision how each piece can fit into your own home. One of the highlights of IKEA is its commitment to affordable quality. Whether you're looking for a new sofa, a dining table, or smart storage solutions, IKEA offers a wide range of products that combine functionality with aesthetics. Their modular designs and customizable options ensure that you can create a space that truly reflects your personal style. IKEA Hyderabad also boasts a fantastic Swedish restaurant that you simply cannot miss. After a day of exploring the store, take a break and indulge in a delightful culinary experience. The restaurant offers a blend of Swedish-style dishes and local specialties, ensuring there's something for everyone. Start your day with a hearty breakfast, enjoy a leisurely lunch, or have a cozy dinner with family and friends. The menu features a variety of healthy, organic, and vegetarian options, making it a great choice for health-conscious diners. From the iconic Swedish meatballs and lean Gonberry jam to delicious salmon dishes and freshly baked pastries, every bite is a taste of Sweden right here in Hyderabad. The restaurant's inviting ambience and comfortable seating make it the perfect spot to relax and recharge before continuing your shopping adventure. Whether you're grabbing a quick snack or having a full meal, the Swedish restaurant adds a special touch to your IKEA experience. IKEA Hyderabad is more than just a store, it's a destination that offers inspiration, quality, and a touch of Scandinavian charm. It's a place where you can find everything you need to create a beautiful and functional home, all under one roof. So, the next time you're in Hyderabad, make sure to visit IKEA. Explore the innovative designs, enjoy the delicious food, and take home something special. The location details are provided in the description box below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, John's Studio Travel Vlog, for more exciting adventures. Thanks for watching.